Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you an easy step how to fix the issue on iPhone if it's disabled or if it's in recovery mode. There are a few requirements which we need to fix the problem. First thing, you need to have a computer. It doesn't matter if it's a PC or a Mac. And then we need to have a genuine USB connector, the cable which came along with the iPhone, and then the latest version of iTunes on your computer. These are the basic things which you need to have. So once you have these things, let's get into troubleshooting. First, you will connect the iPhone to your PC or a Mac. Next thing is, you just need to open iTunes. Then, connect your iPhone to your computer. Once it's connected, press and hold down the power and the home button. Keep holding it down till you see the iTunes logo with a plug. Once it is connected, you just need to wait a little bit, okay? Don't be in a hurry. The next thing what we have to look is, please see the screen on iTunes. You will be able to see a message. iTunes have detected an iPhone in recovery mode. Are you able to see that? If you're able to see that, click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will be able to see a message. Are you sure you want to restore the iPhone to its factory settings? All your media or the data will be erased. The new version of iPhone software will be installed. Just click on Restore and Update. So once you click on Restore and Update, it will take several minutes to download the software, depending upon the internet connectivity. So we need to wait until it's complete. You will be able to see at the top a progress bar. And on the progress bar, you will be able to see downloading software, one item. So once it is complete, you will be able to see another message on the screen. iTunes have successfully restored your iPhone. Please wait until the iPhone restarts. I'm not saying the exact message what you see, but I hope you can understand. Just wait for like 2-3 minutes, and now you'll be getting a message on the screen. Hello. All you need to do is now set up your iPhone. That's it. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you like it, or if it's helpful for you, just subscribe to me and like this video. Thank you.